Hello, good evening. So, a while back I bought this new fancy lighter here, the lightning bolt technology atomic lighter. Do electric arcs. No fuel, no flint, no flame, won't blow out. That's bullshit, but it's pretty neat. It's even got that guy, from something, I don't know, and yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like initially. It came in this padded stuff. I've had this case sitting around for a while because I've been wanting to record this for a minute, but yeah, I need to throw this away. So Atomic Lighter is the new rechargeable lighter that works anywhere, anytime. With its trademark lightning bolt technology, it's fuel and flame free, so lights and stays lit without blowing out, even in the windiest weather. Bullshit! Plus, it recharges with the included USB cable, so you'll have fire when you need it. Take yours home today. No fuel, no flint, no flame. Charge status won't blow out. Bullshit. Anyways, this was also in there, so these schmucks are trying to sell some cheap ass rings. Yeah, anyways, it's one of those ads seen on TV pieces of shit, so I'm surprised it's even worked this long. But yeah, there's the, let's see if I can get it out. I can throw that in the trash now. It was just me blowing on it. So yeah, if you're out in the wind, it can easily fucking get blown out to shit. But let's take a look inside. Now there's another lighter similar to this that was taken apart by Big Clive. His was potted though, so this is a little interesting. So yeah, that's a 220 milliamp hour lithium cell in there. Oh yes, I can still run it when it's out of the case. That's terrifying. I guess I should probably switch that off. Is that just a dicky little button? Yeah, yes it is. There's a charger. I don't know what. I guess it's just a screw hole. What do we got underneath here? Anything? No. So there's a step-up transformers for each of the little arcs. I don't know what they're made out of. The little contact points there, but they're really dull as shit. I mean, soft as shit. I didn't even hit this one over here or anything, and you can see that the top left one is a little bit longer, that one's a little bit longer, that one there is shorter, that one's shorter. I mean, I guess they go crosswise between each other, so maybe that's why, but really not a whole lot to have on this board. Battery's going up immediately. Well, this little thing right. Where's my other poker thing? Here, let me get. So when you open it up, breaks contact. Or when it's closed, I mean, excuse me, it breaks contact right in there. Then you open it up, it just pulls that, closes it, grounds the connection, sends the juice to these switching FETs, I assume, and they pump the juice through there. Not a lot. This thing is, of course, not shit written on it. Makes me think these people just buy a shitload of picks and program what they need, and just remember what kind it is. Pick 12, Elemental P, whatever. I don't know, that's kind of wonky. I'm really kind of shocked that it's still working after I've dropped it 4 or 5 times. But I guess we'll see how long it lasts. The battery's kind of shit in it. I mean, really, you saw it's 220 milliamp hours, so that's not a lot of oomph. It can maybe light like, I don't know, 10 cigarettes and then it's just dead and needs recharged. That battery ain't got much to it, but these things right here have to be stepping it up quite a bit, because it really, I mean, the quote flame does have quite a bit of oomph to it. I mean, it'll light shit up. I just melted the shit out of that tip. What does it do to this metal? No, I'm not gonna do that. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a waste of, I think I paid $15 for this thing. And the reason I got it was I was tired of grabbing a lighter that was dead. I thought, oh, that looks spectacular. I will never have a dead lighter again. But now I gotta charge the damn thing, so I have a dead lighter more often than I used to. What can you do?